going to try and get the handcuffs off. As you can see, they're, yes. So we're going to try to get them off, okay?
They're not lesbians. Yes.
Is this working? What's your leg? What's your leg? And then do these.
You're supposed to have more trouble than this.
Well, it would have worked. Come down. Ow! Sorry. It would have worked better.
She is now showing her ass.
As you can see, we're right back to where we started. It doesn't work. Because if you're back, I wonder if we could, like,
It's impossible. Oh, that's a cute picture.
It's not working. It's not working. Are you done? Are you done recording?
I guess so. I think you should give it a couple more tries.
We're right back to where we started, though. Untwist your... It doesn't work.
Oh, man.
Okay, it doesn't work. You can stop now.
Okay, what do you think about this? Oh, man.
Oh, snap.